Hi, this is Jonathan from Barn2. In this video, I'm going to show you the WooCommerce Product Options plugin from Barn2. If you've ever tried to add various options to your WooCommerce products using variations, you'll probably know that it's not easy. They're difficult to manage and don't allow you to add other options such as checkboxes, images, text fields, etc. And until now, it's been hard to find good plugins that allow you to do these things easily. Which is why at Barn2, we've developed our new WooCommerce Product Options plugin. With this plugin, you can quickly add a wide range of options to your products, and it looks great with all themes. You can easily create product options with checkboxes, radio buttons, drop-down lists, text fields, file uploads, and clickable images and text labels. You can also add content above or between your options, dividing them into logical sections, which is ideal for products with lots of choices. Then there are more advanced features like minimum and maximum quantities and conditional logic, where you can show and hide options based on the customer's other selections. The plugin is easy for beginners as well as being developer-friendly, and it really makes the choosing process so much quicker and easier for your customers. Let's take a quick look at how to set up the plugin on your site. Once the plugin has installed, I'm just going to come to the WordPress dashboard here, come down to WooCommerce, to Products, and then to Product Options. Now here you can see a list of all the product option groups that I've already set up. And if I want to edit one of them, I can just come to the Edit button here, or to the Manage Options button here. And let's take a look at the pizza options. So we can choose to display these options globally on all products or on specific categories or products, which is what I want to do. And you can see I've already selected 2 pizza products to display these options on. And you can search for your products in this box here. And then the 2 options, and you can have as many options as you need. The 2 options I have for my pizzas are crust, style, and toppings. So let's take a look at the crust style. And here you can see we can choose the way the choices of crust are displayed, either as checkboxes, radio buttons, drop-downs, image buttons, etc. And here we have 3 choices. We have the Italian, deep pan, and stuffed crust. And the Italian crust is pre-selected. And we can do that here. So this option will be already selected when you first arrive at the product. And then on the stuffed crust choice here, you can see there's a price increase, a quantity-based fee of $2.50. And you can add further description for the choices here, and we can save our changes here. Okay, so if I want to add a new group of options, then I can just come back to my product options page here and I just click on Add Group. And I'm going to give my group a name of dietary. Now I can choose to show these options on all my products or on specific categories or products. So I want to show these on my pizza products because this is going to be some pizza options. So I'll just search for my pizza products, and there we are. Select those. And you can do the same thing in terms of excluding products here as well. So for this, I just need to add some options now. So I'm going to add my first option, and this is going to be called Dietary Options. And here we have the choices of how we want the information displayed, radio buttons, drop-downs, checkboxes, etc. I'm going to just leave this at checkboxes for now. There's going to be 2 choices for dietary options. First one is vegan, and the second one is vegetarian. Okay, and you can also add in a description here. And I'm just going to save my changes. So I actually need to add the group first. So just go Add Group. And I'm going to save my changes. And then I'm going to add another option. And this one is going to be called Vegan Pizzas. Okay, again, you have the options of how you want the choices displayed. Just going to leave it at checkboxes, and I'm going to add in 2 pizzas. I'm going to do a vegan special with everything on, and I'm going to put a price increase on this one of 10%. Then I'm going to do another one, I'm going to do vegan regular, no price increase. And you can make one of these choices pre-selected by clicking here if you want. You can add a description. And now if I just save my changes and then just click on advanced settings, I can also add in minimum and maximum quantity limits. And also I can add a conditional logic. So what I want to do is if somebody clicks on the vegan option, then I wanted it to pop up with the vegan pizza options. So that's easy to do. I just select those dietary options here. Contains, I'm going to select vegan, save my changes. And if I come back to my pizza product, that's what we've got at the moment. And now if I refresh, there, we've got our two new dietary options, vegan and vegetarian. And now if I click vegan, then my two vegan pizza options show up and I can click that vegan special and you can see the price increase, 10% reflected here. So as you can see, it's quick and easy to add lots of different options to your products. So that's been a look at the WooCommerce Product Options plugin from Barn 2, the fast and easy way to add a full range of options to your products. You'll find a link to download the plugin and more information in the description below. Thanks for watching.